Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am going to be doing a full unboxing of our new first grade Abeka curriculum. This is the full curriculum for first grade. Supposedly, I thought it would be a lot more boxes, but supposedly it's the full thing. And before we get started, if you've watched any of the previous videos, you know that we have not even committed to Abeka. We are still exploring curriculums after we just finished the Good and the Beautiful for language arts and math. We just finished the kindergarten. And what did you think of the Good and the Beautiful?
I think it was like way too easy.
Yeah, pretty much. It was a lot of fluff, a lot of pretty pictures and things like that, but we were just flying through it. We were doing like 2 to 3 lessons a day, and you're only supposed to be doing 1 a day. So we are moving on to something else, and I thought it was going to be Abeka, and I actually went to the FPEA Florida Homeschool Convention a couple weeks ago with the intent on buying the Abeka first grade curriculum. And I flipped through the books at the convention, and I actually didn't really like it that much. And I found other curriculums that I liked better. So we have been down like a 3-week-long rabbit hole now of exploring other curriculums, and we're leaning more towards some than others. But a couple weeks after the convention, Abeka called me, and I won a raffle at the convention and won all of this for free. So maybe that was God telling us we should have just gone with Abeka from the start. So we will do the full unboxing. We will give our opinions, I guess, and we'll probably still use Abeka here and there, or who knows, maybe we'll commit to it fully. So let's get into it.
On it.
Yes. Okay, so came in 2 boxes. One is significantly smaller than the other, so we'll start with that one. Get that out of the way. Watch out. So, just a quick look inside. Looks like a stack of booklets. It says, oh goodness, it really is a stack of booklets. Shiny names. All right, so test key, letters and sounds, all color, so that's nice. This is all the answers to your test, so you can't see that. Oh, and here's the actual test. So that's interesting. The test key is like a glossy type book, and then the actual tests themselves, this is more of just paper, no gloss. Here's your tests. And this is specific to letters and sounds. Arithmetic, that's her math, and this is the test and drill key. So answer key, all in color.
Wow.
Awesome. Arithmetic one, and this is her booklet, so not shiny. I guess that's how they differentiate. The teacher's editions are shiny. Woo, girl. Look at all that.
Oh my goodness.
Heavy, heavy, heavy work. That's what I've always heard about Abeka. That's what they're known for.
I don't even know what that means.
This is nice. Wow. Thick, thick, thick writing booklet. So handwriting.
Ooh.
We actually just recently moved over to handwriting without tears. We were doing the Good and the Beautiful handwriting, and we love handwriting without tears. But we're always open to others. So there you go. Just your basic handwriting skill type papers.
We do cursive too.
We do what?
We do cursive.
Cursive, yes, we have started cursive. All right, this is the giant Abeka video manual book. It says video manual, but I'm thinking this is more of like just the teacher's edition. It's gotta be. This is breaking it down lesson by lesson. So I think this is everything for the entire year as far as what the teacher needs to say. Not happy that it's not a spiral. I like to flip my books backwards, so that's a little annoying, but like I said, we are not necessarily sticking to Abeka. So that's it for the little small one. All right, let's move on to the big box. Okay, the jackpot. You've got, oh my goodness, it is all
And
one.
Why don't you just cut it and then ship it?
That would have been smart, wouldn't have? All right.
Open it here.
Wow, so all just one big stack of books. I am just gonna cut this without cutting the book. And a lot of people have asked, like, oh, if you're not gonna go with Abeka, why not just accept the free curriculum and then sell it? I actually looked into that, and I could have gotten a pretty penny for this fully unused curriculum, but there's still something in me that's like, maybe it's meant to be. Maybe we're supposed to be using this. I just think it's so crazy. Out of 30,000 people at that convention, I won it. Yeah, I was just a raffle. I still can't get over it. So I know it sounds like I'm a little ungrateful, but I'm not. I'm very, very grateful.
Like
So
you didn't want it, but then you're like, oh, I won it.
yeah. Yeah, so, okay, so we've got community helpers. I think this is their geography type
That's like
curriculum. Okay, I like this. All color. Trying to get close so you can see. All color. Health, safety, and manners. And then we're getting into My America, My World. All color. I really like the quality of these. Discovering God's World. Here's the science. This is exciting. Discovering God's World. So here's her letters and sounds book. So the test booklet came in a separate box, and then this is her actual workbook that she'll be writing in and using, it looks like. So there's letters and sounds, non-spiral that she'll be writing in. And then this is the teacher key. Okay, interesting. So another answer key. This is the answer key to her workbook. One thing that is kind of driving me nuts, even just looking through this, is one pro to the good and the beautiful is that everything was right in one booklet. So I could just throw the booklet in my purse, we would leave, go to the library, we could do work wherever. This, I'm going to have to be carrying a separate teacher's manual with the workbook. So
like you would have to like keep these together.
yes. Unless, yeah. Yes, I will. Okay, so then we have language seat work. So that's interesting. So letters and sounds, I assume, is just the phonics portion. And then this is the language. It says grammar, creative writing, and reading comprehension. Okay. And some of it is written in cursive. So that's exciting. I did order the printed version. You could choose print or manuscript, and I did choose print for her, but some of it still is in cursive. Here's the teacher's edition of the language. So again, a whole separate book, but that's all colored. It's all colored. I like that. Yeah.
That book, I think it's good that it's cursive.
Okay, moving on to math. So this would be her math book for first grade. This is the inside, so just like a fat math book. This reminds me of what I had in public school as both a student and a teacher. You just get the one big book. It does not look like, oh wait, they are. The pages are perforated, so if I want to just tear out a page for her, that's awesome. Maybe we'll do that instead of just committing. We have bought the Math UC blocks. I'm super excited. We are definitely doing Math UC for math this year. But this would be good, like little practice, I guess. All right, there's the teacher's manual for the math. And it says arithmetic on there. Obviously, that's math. So colorful, beautiful. Correct, yes. Okay, moving on. Reading. So this is the reading one answer key to, I assume, her reading test booklet over there, because this is language. All right, Bible Friends activity book. That's neat. So, little Bible activity book. And spelling and poetry. My goodness, there is a lot of stuff.
But like
Look at
every
that.
time you read it sounds cool. Like the Bible.
The next one. Okay. Wow. First grade writing tablet. Super, super thick. This is just, oops.
Oh, there was two.
It's actually not that thick then. There's two stacked on top of each other. Lined paper for her. And it's numbered, which is nice. I like that.
Yeah, because you didn't have
This
to.
is the same.
Write,
Yeah, I don't need to write them. Oh my goodness, there's 3 of them. Okay, we're going to be doing some writing.
Wait,
Cool.
so when Lucy grows up, she can have one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here are the readers. This is what I was waiting for. So it did include all the small readers, multiple books within, like this one's called Fun with Pets. And then Good and the Beautiful had something similar to this, where it's your kindergarten reader, where it has all the stories inside. You can look at that. So we've got more readers. This one's Tiptoes. Here's a Bible reader. Love that. Bible reader. Animals in the Great Outdoors. Secrets and Surprises. Stepping Stones. Okay, so you can see it gets a lot more advanced as you progress through.
Yes. Like, I don't know.
Strong and True. Ah, even more advanced. I'm liking this. Down by the Sea.
Wow.
Ah, Aesop's Fables. We also do classical conversations. We're part of a classical conversations community here. So we have a lot of time devoted to that as well. So I don't know if Abeka is going to fit into our already hectic schedule. This is the next one, Kind and Brave. And then looks like the last one, just Handbook for Reading.
I like these books.
I do too. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is Manuscript Formation Flashcards. I think these are really big, giant flashcards. Oh, they are. Look at that. This would be good for Lucy too, my 3-year-old. She's learning how to write her letters. So giant posters for each of the letter formations. I love that. Don't know where we'll hang all those. Maybe.
Like, then you get to see the letters.
Okay, last thing is art project.
Ooh, we have one of those.
Yeah, but look at this. This is
oh, wow.
big, big, big. It looks like it comes with everything to actually cut out. Can you tell who that is from the side? Yes, Abraham Lincoln. We've been learning money. So some art stuff. Try to get closer. Art, 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 art. Giant book of art project. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing part. I will do another video, maybe going through it a little more in depth. I just wanted to give the gist, the general gist of what was sent to us for winning a raffle. I feel like this is super awesome. This is a lot more than I thought. I did not think they were going to be able to fit all that in those 2 little boxes, but it is more than expected. So this is going to make my curriculum decision
I'm excited for a new curriculum.
even harder. Yeah, me too. Right now we're between A Gentle Feast. We're really leaning towards like the Charlotte Mason ideals, which I just ordered her book on Amazon so I can get a more of an idea of what to expect with that. But Abeka is definitely not Charlotte Mason. Abeka is more so how I taught as a public school teacher and how I learn best. But how I learn best is not necessarily how she learns best. So that's why I'm excited to start the Math UC program. And maybe we'll just use the Abeka Math as a little bit more of an enrichment. I don't know. We'll see. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
So one thing that I forgot to mention during all of that was that this also came with the online video lessons. So this giant teacher's manual book that I was talking about, this does go with the online lessons. I can use it as a teacher's manual, I suppose, for planning purposes, but this will match more so with those online video lessons.